Are you trying to find the best video editing app? Today, we compare VN Video Editor and CapCut. Both tools let you create amazing videos, but they have different features and styles. VN Video Editor is known for its user friendly interface. It offers advanced editing options like multi layer editing and speed adjustments. This makes it great for both beginners and experienced editors. You can easily trim clips, add music, and apply filters. On the other hand, CapCut is popular for its fun features and effects. It has a wide range of stickers, text options, and transitions. CapCut is perfect for social media creators looking to make eye catching content quickly. It also allows for easy sharing on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Now, let's look at what sets them apart. VN Video Editor focuses more on detailed editing. It gives you more control over your edits. CapCut, however, emphasizes speed and creativity. It's all about making fun videos fast. When it comes to features, VN Video Editor shines with its timeline editing and audio controls. CapCut offers unique effects and templates, making it easy to create trendy videos. Both apps allow for basic editing, but they cater to different needs. In terms of pricing, both apps are free to download. VN Video Editor has some premium features, while CapCut offers in app purchases for advanced options. So, which one should you choose? If you want detailed editing and control, go for VN Video Editor. But if you prefer quick edits with fun effects, CapCut is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.